Hello and welcome to another random review and how-to. Today I'm showing you how to change an Eureka belt. So what I got going on here is my old belt is actually broken. I was able to take everything apart and kind of look at it, and you can see this belt has been on for a long time, probably like 10 years. And so this wasn't rotating. This was also all junked up with hair and things. So I went in and just pulled and kept removing everything there. So that's probably the first thing you want to do. Actually, first thing you want to do is make sure it's not plugged in. And then to get to the belt, there's actually two ways to do it. So one is to actually unscrew these 5 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take those out, and this panel pops off, and then you get access inside, and you can see where the belt goes. I put that on there already. Or you have side access here. There's one screw that comes off of this little panel here that gives you access to the belt in there. So the extra belt, at least for this sweeper, is included in here. They put a replacement in. I'm sure you could get one online. But your belt then goes on the side, and you can see here that you're going to want to loop it on the wheel first. So I'm going to go ahead and show that. Then get it out. That's your extra belt. You're going to loop it here, and that's pretty easy to do. I just put it in and pushed it down. And then if you go to the side here, you actually just grab this part and stretch it right onto that. And you can see it's not exactly evened up and level there, but if you just kind of work it, it'll work its way in. And then there is a little lip here on like a screw almost that holds it in place. Now, if you've been running the sweeper and it's not working, this thing gets really hot, so make sure you're not touching any of these parts here. And once you have it all in, I just wanted to give it a quick test and see. There we go. So now we're running. So if you're running it and this isn't spinning, it's not because it's broken. It's just typically the belt's probably a little screwed up. So you're going to want to do that. So that's all you got there. This is, again, an Eureka sweeper. I think they make them all kind of the same, but that is how you replace the belt. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Helps us. Helps you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below.